It's the bird loving man. I've just coming at the duck pond today and see how all the geese are doing. There's a lot of geese here today. And there's a laughing duck. Now I bought some bread today and I got a little stand which I can put my camera down and feed these ducks and these birds here. I like getting down low, so if I come over here, so they're getting all excited. The terns, all black-headed gulls. I'm just looking at those ducks over here actually, they're a bit strange. I'm going to have a look at them in a minute. They're a bit different. I'll show you in a minute. I'll do a different film of them in a minute. They're over there and they're coming in close. I can put my camera down now. Turn it a little bit, get it in a bit closer actually, so we can get a lovely view of them. How's that? Right, now I can feed them. I can actually get in the film of my one now because it's on a stand and I can actually feed them. There we go. Let's see if they're going to take it off me. Yeah, they're taking it off my hand. How lovely is that? Hey, they got teeth, look. Ouch. They hurt. Why are you biting my fingers? You should be biting the bread. Ouch. They do hurt a little bit actually. You know, it's lucky they haven't got teeth, that's for sure. There we go. Love it. I love it. But there are some different ducks over there. I'm going to get to them in a minute. They're different. I thought I'd just do this at first, film this, and I'll do another movie of these different ducks, which I've never ever seen before. And one of them is coming close to me actually. I might turn the camera around and show you actually in a minute. I'm just going to get rid of this bread. Look at the way these black terns so greedy. They're really pretty little birds when you look at them closely, those terns. They got little white around their eyes. Notice. I don't want you to bite me, you vicious. I think these are quite young. And, it's not, it's a mallard duck, that's all it is. I thought it was, but no. It's a mallard duck, sorry, it wasn't a different bird, it looks different. I won't turn my camera around because it's gone now. It's only a mallard duck. I was mistaken. And there's a jackdaw over there, which I'm going to film in a minute. Beautiful jackdaw. And a mallard duck over there. There we go. Ooh, the sound. There's some pigeons over there as well, some wood pigeons. Which what I'll do, I'll really finish my bread and I'll sort of put the camera up and start filming all the birds around here. The duck side, I'll show you. Got it. So I've got one little bit more bread left, and that's it. And then I'm going to go to these jackdaws over here. I'll actually do a different movie of the jackdaws. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. Lots and lots of mallard ducks here today. And sorry, Canadian geese I meant. And they got a lot bigger now than last time. Last time they didn't have any colour. if I come here. So I hope you enjoyed that. I did. Have a good day. The bird loving man. See those ducks actually getting the colours on their necks here. So I thought I'd film that before I go. They're starting to get colour. You have to notice on their necks, a little bit of colour is growing. So they must be males. Can't really see it. That's it from me. On that one you can see it a bit better actually. See the colours are starting to form. That's a male. Have a good day.